Probably are you also waiting for something, right? You are waiting for right money, you are waiting for a dedicated team, you are waiting for a good chance, you are also waiting for a right time. Am I right? But let me tell you, yeah, let me tell you about the thing which I have already spoken. They didn't come. You will have to bring them into your life. So, hello, friend. This is Surya, motivational speaker, law of attraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And my today's session will be completely in one language, that is called in English. So, my today's session is going to give you one of the most powerful learning. And my today topic is, don't wait for right time, make it happen. Yeah, just create it. Yes, friend, if you are waiting for a right time, that when right time will come, then I will start my business. When right time will come, then I will go from one place to another place. When right time will come, then I will start my studying. Whatever you are thinking about, just waiting right time, so let me tell you that it is not going to be happen. Yes, you have heard right, it is not going to be happen, because you are just keep waiting right time, keep waiting right time, but somewhere you are losing something. You know what are you losing behind the keep waiting right time? You are losing your age, you are losing your confidence, you are losing your potential. So today I would like to tell you that how to make your right time and create it. So first of all, before I started my topic, I would like to share one story with you. There was a boy, his name was a Jack. He was living in a very good family, he was living in a very good house. So he thought that I will start my own business. So every day he used to say himself that I will start my own business. I think that years has been passed. Suddenly he said that okay, I will start, but right now I don't have money. I will have to manage the money. Let me manage the money, after that I will start. Let me settle down my family, then I will start. Yeah, let me learn something more, then I will start. Because he was trying to be perfect. But I'm talking to you. Do you think that did that time come in his life? No. Because why that time didn't come in his life? Because he was just waiting to be perfect. He thinks that if everything will be perfect, time will be perfect, team will be perfect, and money will be perfect, and everything will be perfect, then I will start my business. Do you think that did that time come in his life? No, a time did not come. Years passed. Suddenly he met his one of his friend. His name was Jack. When he met with a Jack, so he began to talk to the Jack. Jack, what are you doing right now? So Jack told to him that I have started my own business and I'm completely settled down, and I have a good revenue, and I'm making nearly 10 to 20 cr yearly. So that time Bill got shocked. How? He said that once upon a time when I met you, and you are talking to me that I'm going to start the business. That time I also thought that why don't I start my own business? If my friend Village is starting, so I can also start. So I have started my business, and let me tell you that when I started my business, that time I didn't have a single penny. I didn't have a team. I didn't have a single penny. I didn't have a space. Even then, I thought, let's start. If anything will happen, then I will see. And I started today. I have a good company, I have a good team, and I'm very successful in my business. So that time Bill realized, keep waiting, somewhere I have lost my everything. So if you are in the categories of, well, so let me tell you today, don't wait. Because if you want to start anything, if you want to build your career, if you want to make your body solid, if you want to make your relationship solid, if you want to make a lot of wealth in your life, don't just wait. Because if you are waiting somewhere, you are losing something. If you are waiting somewhere, you are losing your inner confidence, inner potential. So don't just wait. Because if you wait, so you will not get anything. You will definitely not get anything. The way Bill didn't get anything, in the same way you will not get anything. So I would like to give you two most powerful technique, two most powerful formula, because of which you can come out of those comfort zone, and you start your own you start your own business, you start your own things, what you have been thinking for a long time. So first thing, don't wait for a right time. You will have to just create it. You will have to make it right. Yes, friend, if you are waiting for a right time, that one day right time will come, so I will start everything. So let me tell you that right time will not come. Right time will never come. You just keep thinking the way Bill kept thinking, and he didn't get anything. So you will also not get anything. You just stand, you take an action, whether it is right action or wrong action, somewhere you made a mistake, somewhere you will be correct, somewhere you will fall down, somewhere you will be growing. So you will have a chances of growing if you take an action. If you don't take an action, you just keep thinking, keep thinking, keep thinking, so somewhere you are going to lose your everything. So first, you remember the Will story. Bill keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. He didn't start any business, but his friend made that thing possible, and his friend has that money, that kinds of lifestyle, that house which he really wanted to live in it, and today he has. So don't make a mistake, just go and take an action, just go and take an action. And the second important thing which I really would like to share with you, move forward. Just stand and move forward. I know that everybody has a problem. You also have a problem, I also have a problem. You have a problem at your level, I have a problem at my level. Some people have a problem at his level, and many people have problem at their level, because you want to start your own business, I want to start my own business. So everybody has a different problem, but everybody has a problem. You have a problem, I have a problem. But one thing, what you have to do, you just get up, and you don't wait that if I have a right time, or if I have a right time, then I will start. If I have a right team, then I will start. If I have a right knowledge, then I will start. Don't try to be perfect. This is my question. As well, this is my suggestion. Don't try to be perfect, because if you try to be perfect, you cannot get anything. You cannot reach anywhere. You can't be reach anywhere. So don't try to do all this bullshit, because this is completely BBS, bloody bullshit. Just stand and move forward, because if you want to make your time right, so stand. Stand means what? Take basic step, take small step. A small step is counted. A small step is counted. Today you don't have a right time. Today you don't have a right knowledge. Today you also don't have a right time. But right team. But in future, what is going to be happen? In future, what is going to be happen? You will have a right team. You will have a right knowledge. You will have a right time. बिकॉज राइट टाइम आता नहीं है, यू विल हैव टू ब्रिंग इट, से लाना पड़ता है. अगर आपकी जिंदगी में इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन योर लाइफ, मे बी स्मॉल बिग वट एवर प्रॉब्लम यू हैव, इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस, सो यू गो डू इट, you go take an action, you go and move forward yourself, then you see the right time will definitely come in your life. So this is my point which I would like to share with you. Don't try to be perfect. Nobody can be perfect. Why? Because there are so much knowledge. There are so much knowledge. How much knowledge how much knowledge are you capable of gaining and storing in your mind? Are you knowledge collector? Are you here for collecting a lot of knowledge? To whom do you want to show that I'm a very knowledgeable person? Your family is waiting for your success. Your friend is waiting for your success. Even if you're married, your wife is waiting for your success. Your relative is also waiting for your success. Because of you, so many students are motivated. If you don't get success in a business, relationship, or whatever business or profession you have chosen to do that, if you get success, people will get motivated because of you. If you don't get success, people will get demotivated because of you. So you become a source of motivation or you become a source of demotivation. You will have to decide it. But don't try to be perfect. This is my suggestion. Don't try to be perfect, because I made this mistake. Before, I used to think that when I will have more knowledge, then I will start creating the video. But today I'm just going to do the work, and I'm getting a lot of knowledge. I'm getting knowledge while creating the video. I'm getting knowledge while talking to the people. Then because now I am in the zone of learning, and now I am in the center of learning. That's because I'm learning faster. That's why I'm saying to you, start your work with confidence. Don't see anything what people will say, what people will criticize. Just bullshit. Stand and go and get it. This is my suggestion. Right time will never come. You will have to make it right, and you will have to make it. The more you write, the more right you want to make, you can make it, and you can make your dream comes true. So best of the luck, and go and get your dream, because you have one life. In one life you make everything possible. Thank you guys. Have a nice day, and love you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I love you all. Thank you so much.